Here are 5 projects to buy and hold into 2025. As the year is coming to an end, I want to quickly say, guys, Merry Christmas and happy holidays to everyone who is celebrating, guys. Shout out to the Crypto News channel. It's your boy Crypto RJ once again. Let's take a look at some 5 projects, guys, and we're going to go in a randomized order today. Yesterday I made a similar video and we talked about the most degenerative stuff first, and then last we went to the safer stuff, but today we're going to mix it up, okay? And again, we have 5 absolute gems today. Let's get right into it. So first off, guys, is going to be Doge Elon Mars. Now, this is a project that has been around for a couple of years now, and it's up 3% on the day, 3% in the past week, and 70% in the past month, only 19% in the past year, which is why I'm so bullish on this. Now, this project had a market cap all-time high of about 1.2 billion and is currently trading at 10x less. So we're able to do a 10x, assuming this gets back to its all-time high prices. Now, for those that don't know, this is a project that has a lot of utility, and not only that, guys, they are working on some crazy things going on here. I want to show you. So they actually have an AI powered metaverse and they're building a layer 2 blockchain. So again, I could go on forever about all the things that Doge Elon Mars has to offer, but then this video would just be a little bit too long. So I'm not gonna do that, but more or less, guys, they are building the right things. They are using AI. They have a crazy metaverse that they're trying to do, and it is looking amazing for the Doge Elon Mars holders. Also, we can see on Twitter, and even in their markets, we could see, guys, they are still waiting to be listed on the big exchanges like Bitcoin, like Binance, like like Coinbase, right? So there's still a lot more to go, and I do think that this thing is going to run very soon. I think that it is only a matter of time. Now, next up is Wall Street Pepe, guys, and this is a pre-sale project. I'm gonna leave a link to this down below, and they have actually raised $35 million. Honestly, that is insane, and they are literally going everywhere. They are pretty much trending. They're very well known. At 26,000 followers on Twitter, it's looking very good. We could see, okay, I don't know if I can show that on YouTube, but they're definitely posting a lot and they're doing very well. It was actually just yesterday that they hit $35 million raised, and since then they've raised another $768,000, which is super cool to see. I really like the lore behind it. The website and branding is super cool as well, and they're really putting a lot of emphasis on marketing. So it does look like a pretty solid project. Again, do your own research and only invest money you're willing to lose for all the projects that we're talking about today, guys. And this one is very interesting. Skimask Dog. Now, guys, this is a project on base, and guys, the mask obviously always stays on. I have a mask right here to represent. But guys, this is a coin on base with a huge community, and they have recently been blowing up. Right? It looks like they did have a bit of a bearish, like a bit of a downtrend over here throughout December, but they are looking like they're going to do a crazy reversal, and I do think there's a lot of potential here, guys. So like I said, the community is huge. Brian Jung has actually endorsed them as well, and they have a lot going on. They recently have an app, 20,000 plus followers on Twitter, and like I said, the community is huge, and I do think that this will be one of the biggest dog-based meme coins on base, because it already is the biggest one, but especially it will continue, in my opinion. Now, the next up one, guys, is Salax, which is a Solana layer 2. This one, guys, is a very interesting one as well. They're basically trying to fix Solana, right? We all know Solana, here and there, it could start, getting slow. Transactions might fail. We'll have a bit of congestion, but this is basically trying to fix that. Very ambitious project, and they've raised over $5 million. I do think that on the list for today, this is definitely the most risky, definitely higher risk on this one, but obviously with high risk comes high rewards, right? Again, if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link to the pre-sales down below so you guys can go ahead and ape into them. But yeah, this one is interesting as well. I do know a bunch of whales are actually aping into this. I would play this very similar to Wall Street Pepe and even like other pre-sale projects where I would get in early, and I would definitely look to get out as soon as I can. Now, guys, finally on this is a safer pick, guys. It's actually Solana. Now, for those that don't know, guys, Solana is, in my opinion, an underrated project in the sense that in terms of swing trading, okay, a lot of people, they try and look for the 100x gains, right? They try and look for the crazy gains, but people don't realize Solana was literally trading at about $250 earlier this month. So at a price of 200, you're seeing 25% gains just right off rip once we pass all-time high. So with size, I would definitely look into aping into Solana, right? If you have a decent amount of money that you want to throw into something and you want some safe returns, this is an easy project in my opinion. It's obviously pumping today up 3%, but it did get a hammer down 12% earlier on. Now, guys, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.